Hi, my name is Atanda Babatunde, a student of E86 Limited. I enrolled for Python programming, and this is my first front-end presentation. I made a website on car renting and selling. So that is what you actually do. Now let me walk you through my website. Okay, this is my home page, and on my home page, actually my home page comprises of so many things about the website. Now let me walk you through my home page. Once you scroll down, you see about us. um, about us is literally telling us some things about the website, what we actually do. And once you scroll down, you see a box whereby you can search for your best car. After that, yeah, this is the place where you can book for your car. Like we have Toyota, and you can book for any of them. That is, you can rent any of them in this place. Then once you scroll down, this is the comment section, like what the customers say about us, and you can see it scrolling. You can get in touch with us, and this is all about the home page. Then this is the about us. Yeah, there is not much about the about us. The about us is just telling us all about the website and what we really do. Now I'm going to the service. Why you should choose us? That is what the service is about. That is what the service is all about. Then the vehicle, this is the part whereby you buy your car. You can actually see I wrote it here, purchase now, and these are the prices. Clients is also telling us about what they think about our website, and contact us is where. Okay, here comes the end of my presentation. Thank you to E86 Limited, thank you to my instructor, and thank you to my sponsor. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm really grateful for this opportunity, and thank you to my co-classmates. I love you all.